goes home, smelly and dirty. Don't forget when I'm saying this, it's just coming out of my brain. It's not written down. Just trying to get words out, so you have to listen to the best I can do. I haven't learnt it that song, never do. The cheese balls out in a dirty niggas and cleaners town down in the world's alive. Round better life, still 16 plates. Her father's counts, the dirty spiders coming in one by one. I wanna smell the other spots on his head. Now just have a quick dark one. What one? 6 minutes. So like I say, I don't write it down and practice like a song. I just get the words out quicker. Oh, Henry. Henry says thank you. He said, can you just to play some tune out your voice? No, I will, Henry. What do you want me to do? Henry said, just flow with it.